Hello, thank you for watching this video. In this video, we are going to share with you how to sell value instead of focusing on price. And once you learn it, once you master selling of value, it will be as easy as selling ice cream on a hot summer day. But before we go on, do help me to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will greatly appreciate your click. Thank you. First, let's define value. What is value? Value is like a fruit smoothie. It's a mixture of features, benefits, customer needs that make your product or service irresistible. And just like smoothie, you need to mix them in the right proportion to have the perfect taste. So, how do you sell value? Let me tell you this story. Once upon a time, there was a man who sold shoes. He was the best in the business. But one day, a man came into his shop and said, "I will never pay $100 for a pair of shoes." The shoe salesman replied, "Sir, these shoes will last you a lifetime. They are made from the finest leather, and they are designed for the maximum comfort. You won't regret buying them." The customer thought for a second and said, "Okay, I'll buy them, but only if you prove to me that they are worth $100. The salesman smiled and said, "Sir, have you heard of the expression, you get what you pay for?" The customer nodded. "Yeah, that's exactly what you're getting for the shoes. You're not just buying a pair of shoes, you're buying quality, durability, and style. And that's worth more than $100. Now let's analyze what the salesman did. He didn't just sell the features. He didn't just say, "Oh, this is made from a finest leather. This is designed for maximum comfort." He sold the value of the shoe. He told the customer he's buying more than a pair of shoes. He's buying for quality, durability, and style. That's worth $100. So the key of selling value is to help the customer to realize that they are not just buying for the product or service. They are buying for the benefits, the features, and what these benefits and features provide for them, which is the customer needs. And these are worth more than the price tag. Here are the techniques that you can apply to help you to sell value. Sell value by painting a picture. People love visuals, people love to see images. So when you're selling, don't just tell your customers about the features. Show them what these features or benefits can do for them. Include vibrant description or colorful analogies. For example, if you're selling a phone, tell them they are buying a computer that they can put in their pocket with a camera that can store memories better than a time machine. In the recent years, there is a bloom for the home staging business. Why? Because property agents stage the homes nicely so that when buyers come view the house, they can actually visualize how this potential house looks like. So they can physically see it and emotionally feel it. So that's helping your clients, helping your customers to visualize what the product looks like, what the product can do for them. Now, the second technique of selling value is to sell the future. Don't just talk about the features, but what the features or the benefits can do for the customers in 3 years' time, in 3 months' time, or maybe 5 years' time. For example, if you're selling gym membership, don't just talk about the equipments, right? Talk about how can these equipments do for them 3 months, 6 months, 1 year down the road. They will become stronger, healthier, happier, looks better, better appearance. These are values. There was once a business owner from a local F&B chain wanted me to do a team building event for his staff. His objective was simple, just to conduct some team bonding activities. And that's it. If I were to pitch it in a way where, hey, my team activities are great, are fun, I'm probably going to compete with many other vendors, other competitors. I went deeper during our discussion and I found out that he is bringing his brand to Australia and he is selecting his Australia core team from this group who will be attending the training. So my pitch changed. It is no longer about my training, my activities, my events. It's going to be fun. No. Now I have my pitch move into participant focus, future focus, business owner focus. I told him this group will require more than team bonding, team building activities. This group, I will prepare them in terms of skill sets, in terms of mindset to open the Australian market. This will be your core team. He was sold. From all that has been said, it still comes back to this point. Make it personal. Be it the example of the shoe salesman, the gym membership, home staging, or the F&B training, it is about personalizing the experience for your customer. Find out what they need, what they want, and show them how your product or services can fulfill their desire. When you master the technique of selling value, you will no longer be bogged down by price sensitivity. You will no longer be bogged down by price war. You will be above the rest in a sales career where everyone else will be struggling on price. So if you have gained value from this video, do like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.